The science fair was an incredible showcase of innovation, curiosity, and the scientific inquiry. It was a great opportunity for our students to showcase their scientific process, results, and interests with other students, staff, and teachers. It was an absolute pleasure to witness the amazing projects and engaging presentations. We had a variety of projects this year, from AI to hydraulic robotic arms, to research-based projects like organ transplants, railguns, and to experiments that are attempting to answer simple life questions like which popcorn pops the best. I love seeing everyone here to celebrate our students' work and to feel the infectious energy that fills the venue. The support and participation of our community members in events like this can really inspire and empower our young scientists.
We are the proud parents of 5 students here at CISB.
We are very happy to see the way the students did their research and the way they executed their projects. They did an amazing job. So thank you to the teachers and thank you to the students for the great work that you put forward.
I'm very happy to be here because I see a lot of interesting topics. Students are very smart.
So basically our topic is defense mechanism of organisms. Throughout this topic, we learn about how animals defend themselves using their actions.
It have multiple skills. For example, you can lift this thing over here, and you can open the claws over here.
We have been trying to support them in the science department to bring their dreams and to bring their projects to life, because it's very important for us in the IB to make sure that the students have the opportunity to develop and to reach their goals and their dreams.